1, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, 13, 21. What do you guys recognize about these numbers? Well, I'll tell you if you don't recognize anything. These are the numbers in the Fibonacci sequence. And the Fibonacci sequence is a sequence of numbers, including those numbers. The way it works is it takes the first number and adds the last number to it to get the next number. So the first number is 1, so it adds 0 to 1 to get 1, then 1 plus 1 to get 2, then 2 plus 1 to get 3, 3 plus 2 to get 5, 5 plus 3 to get 8, and so on. The Fibonacci sequence appears everywhere, not just in math. Like we're about to come up on some flowers, so let's take a look. So every flower has a Fibonacci number of petals. So let's take this one, for instance. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. 21 petals. Let's see. Just to make sure. 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Yep, 21 petals. So the Fibonacci sequence appears everywhere, all around us. And it's not just in flowers. Notice how we have 5 fingers on our hand and on our feet. And notice how, let's see, what else? But it appears everywhere, those numbers. Go outside and look on a leaf. Like, see, there's one part to this leaf. Let's see, there's, there are leaves all over there. And another part of Fibonacci is the Fibonacci Spiral. If you guys heard of that. Well, the way to make a Fibonacci spiral is to draw a square with side length 1, then next to it another square with side length 1, and then a square with side length 2 next to that. And then if you trace down all the squares, you'll get the famous Fibonacci spiral. And that appears in a lot of places too. Like if we look back on some flowers over here, there are three little pollen things. But the Fibonacci spiral appears in the nautilus shell. So if you look it up, it's a shell that looks like a spiral, and that spiral is the Fibonacci spiral. And so here's another flower that has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 petals. 8 is a Fibonacci number. See, it's everywhere. Like, it's not just in flowers. It's also in snails. So I'm gonna go snail hunting over there, because usually there's a snail in this area. So let's see if we can find any snails so I can show you the Fibonacci spiral. Okay, so here we are. Let's see, are there any snails? If I miss a snail and you guys see it in the recording, then comment that down below. So, but you guys know what a snail shell looks like, right? So this Fibonacci spiral is the snail. Okay, just pick them up. So let's go over here. You see the spiral in the snail shell? maybe you can't. There, you see that spiral? That's what the Fibonacci spiral looks like. There's like 1, 1, 2, so it goes like that. And it keeps growing at equal lengths. Or it doesn't grow at an equal length. But, as you can see, here's the snail. And so, that is what the Fibonacci spiral looks like. So that is the first episode of Science and Math with Andrew. If you guys want to see more stuff like this, please comment that down below. So, yeah. If you want to see science experiments more than math, comment that. If you want to see math more than science, comment that. And now we are walking back to the house. Thanks for watching.